Hi, I'm Dave, welcome to the channel. After last week's What's in the Box video was well received, I thought I'll do a graphic and we'll have a What's in the Box Wednesday. It won't be every Wednesday, but here's the first one. And the first box came from Slot Car Supplies in the UK. It was very well packaged. Unfortunately, it doesn't contain Twix chocolate bars. I have had to undo it a bit so that it didn't take 20 minutes of this video just to undo the packaging. It was really well packaged. Now, there's a few things in here. Firstly, there's several sets in fact, of pull gauge tyres. Now, I watched a video from Slot Rod's channel the other day where he put some pull gauge tyres on a Carrera Capri. But he didn't do a comparison of lap times before and after he changed the tyres. So I thought I'd get some tyres and do that. And as I've got 3 Carrera Capris, I got quite a lot of tyres. So there'll be a video about that on this channel at some point in the future. And now to the main event. While I was buying my pull gauge tyres, I accidentally slipped and bought a slot car as well. You know how it is. And there it is. So this is my first NSR car. People have been telling me I should get an NSR car and not just stick with Revo slots. So I've got a Fiat 500. I think this is a fairly old release of this livery, but it was left in stock at Slot Car Supplies and I bought it because you couldn't get one anywhere else, and I kind of like the Castrol livery. So here's my first NSR car. This is another video which will be coming up on this channel in the future. So there we are. That's What's in the Box Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed that, and as always, thank you for watching one of my videos. And I've just reached a milestone, 600 subscribers, achieved in no small part from all of the help from Georgia Area 51 Raceway, Raoul at Conquest Racing, and of course my friend Marty Ford at Two Lines. I've been on a couple of their live streams lately, and that's really helped my channel. Thank you guys, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed and watches my videos. There'll be another one of these the next time a box turns up in the post.